You've heard about the move over law or the steer clear law. Well, now there's a special project underway to make you more aware of it. Here to tell us the details is Pennsylvania State Trooper First Class David Peters, who is also the Public Information Officer for the Troop N Barracks in Hazleton. Trooper Peters, what is this all about? It's called the Six State Trooper Project.
Yeah, I mean, it's been going on different initiatives they take on. This year, they're taking on the move over law or the steer clear law to bring awareness to it, but to also bring enforcement to it. I mean, it's one thing to be about educating to get people to move over when either a police vehicle has someone stopped or it's a disabled vehicle and there's a tow truck operator there, that if they can move over to that left lane to do so, it's the law. And not doing it could result in a citation. If you cannot, you need to bring your vehicle into a speed that's reasonable to be able to negotiate around that. So it's a big initiative. Again, 6 states. You're talking about Kentucky, Ohio, Michigan, West Virginia, Indiana, and of course us. And what they'll be doing is, trying to help prevent injuries and save lives, but only if drivers follow and use common sense.
Now, this is underway through the 24th. So what exactly will the troopers be doing? Will there be checks to remind you of it, or how does it work?
Well, they'll be out on normal patrol, but looking for vehicles and enforcing that type of violation. So coming across and seeing someone, no different than, if somebody was driving in just in the left lane, which is also illegal here in Pennsylvania. So they'll be out there looking for that, as well as other distracted driving violations, any kind of aggressive driving, but just an initiative to bring probably more awareness to it, because we've had this law for some time and other states have it, yet, I'm not picking on a particular state, but, Jersey has the law, yet we see people from Jersey driving the left lane for no reason or this or that, as well as not moving over. You become distracted when you're trying to pay attention, the old-fashioned term rubbernecking. And you're looking at the police vehicle stopped on the side of the road, and before you know it, your vehicle is drifting towards them, and you're either striking the patrol car or you're striking the individuals that might be disabled or the trooper. So it's about saving lives, and it's about bringing awareness, and it's common sense. If you can move over, please move over, because that's what we need you to do.
Have there been a number of incidents involving this, or have you been lucky thus far this summer?
Nobody seriously injured. I mean, a few weeks ago, I believe one of our patrol cars in Hazleton was stopped for a disabled vehicle, and someone wasn't paying attention per se and didn't move over and ended up striking our patrol vehicle, which then in turn forced that into the vehicle that the trailer that was disabled. So it does happen. Probably happens more than we're aware across these 6 states and across the nation. We've had troopers struck. I'm sure other agencies have had people struck. I'm sure tow truck drivers, as well as PennDOT operators and construction workers have all lost individuals because people haven't moved over when they could. So again, driving is a skill. We want people to pay attention to it. And if you can move over, we need you to move over so those individuals can go home to their families as well.
Absolutely true. Thank you so much for giving us an update on that. Remember, move over, steer clear. It is the law.